Hello everyone! In this video, I am going to tell you about the terrain following feature. So first, let's understand the problem. When a drone flies over uneven terrain like hills, slopes, or valleys, it usually maintains a constant height from the takeoff point, not from the ground. Because of this, the drone can sometimes fly too high in lower areas and too low in higher areas. This can lead to inaccurate data capture and even safety risks during the flight. To solve this problem, we use the terrain following feature. Terrain following allows the drone to maintain a constant height from the ground throughout the entire flight. This helps in capturing consistent and accurate data, especially in hilly or uneven areas. It also improves flight safety by preventing the drone from getting too close to the ground. In the Surveyaan drone, this feature comes with a few useful capabilities. It automatically adjusts the drone's altitude based on terrain elevation and ensures a uniform ground sampling distance, which is very important for mapping and surveying applications. There are two types of terrain following: online terrain, offline terrain. Today, I am going to explain online terrain and how you can enable it. Online terrain means the drone or controller gets terrain data automatically from the internet. Now, I will show you how you can enable this feature in the controller. To use this feature, there are two steps. TF file generation terrain flight first. We will look at TF file generation. Here is the dashboard of your Surveyaan controller app. First, you can see a plus icon in the bottom right corner. Click on that. Then, select your mission type. Here, I am selecting General Land Survey. After selecting the mission type, click on the Automatic option. Now, in the Automatic type, you have two options: Fixed Height and Offline Terrain. Here, we will select Fixed Height. Now we will set the flight parameters such as overlap, height, and angle. Next, click on the fourth option on the left side at the bottom corner. After clicking on that, select the TF generator and enable Yes, Generate Terrain. Now, it will ask for an internet connection. You can select Wi-Fi. After selecting Wi-Fi, it will generate the terrain points. Once the points are generated, you can enter a custom name for your file. Click on Yes, then enter the file name. Now, we will connect the drone using the drone's Wi-Fi to regain communication with the drone. After generating the TF file, we will now see how to perform the terrain flight. Now, you have to select the same mission type that you selected for TF file generation. In our case, it is General Land Survey. After selecting the mission type, click on the KML option. After clicking on that, select Terrain Adaptive Flight. Then, select Online Terrain. After selecting Online Terrain, you have to choose the KML file that you saved earlier. After all this, the drone is ready to fly. You have to arm the drone and swipe to start the flight. It will then fly according to the terrain. As you can see, the dark blue line and light blue line indicate the flight behavior. The dark blue line means the drone is descending, and the light blue line means the drone is ascending. When you click on these lines, you can see the approximate altitude at which the drone will fly. The center arrow shows the direction of the drone. If you select the RTH option, the drone will first go to the highest altitude within the flight path and then perform the return to home operation. I hope you understand the terrain following feature. Thank you so much for watching this video.